Ek is hoop, dames en here, Equiproducts se groot kampioen suurtuigperd sluit by ons aan. Our Grand Champion Fine Harness Horse, sponsored by Equiproducts. Awards Duchess, Skalkburger for the... Let's bring them round all the way from Robertson in the Western Cape. Hier kom hulle, dames en here. Kom ons sit ons hande by mekaar. Parys Kersfees Karnaval se groot kampioen suurtuigperd. Awards Duchess, Skalkburger vir die eienaar. Number 397, Wall Street, Junior Higu. Equiproducts Grand Champion Fine Harness Horse for 2012, Awards Duchess, Skalkburger for the owner, Henry Murray. What a horse. Our reserve Grand Champion, Wall Street, Junior Higu, our owner and exhibitor. One more time, our Grand Champion Fine Harness Horse, Awards Duchess, Skalkburger for the owner, Henry Murray.